All right, good evening, everyone. Tonight we're going to be breaking open a box of 2014 Strata football. Each hobby box comes with 3 hits, 1 autograph card, 1 relic card, and 1 clear-cut autograph relic rookie. So let's rip it open and see what we've got. Now each box contains 18 packs with 8 cards per pack. So let's just start with the first stack. Okay, first up we've got rookie card Bradley Roby. Clay Matthews. And our first hit of the box is our relic auto rookie, Jeremy Hill, going out to the Cincinnati Bengals. Congratulations to the Bengals. Let's see, this one is numbered 68 out of 150. Let me zoom in there so you can see the numbering. Nice on-card auto jumbo patch too. Really nice jumbo patch. Jeremy Hill going out to the Bengals. So that's our first hit of this box. Second pack. We've got ourselves A.J. McCarron.